Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello to everyone listening today. How are you, Sarah?
I'm good, Kevin. A little hungry, actually.
Hungry? Why are you hungry?
Well, I just came back from the supermarket. I bought so many things.
Ah, the supermarket. That's a busy place.
It is, and you know what? I saw so many different foods. Now I want to eat everything.
I understand that feeling. The supermarket makes us hungry.
Exactly. And that's perfect because today we are talking about the supermarket.
Oh, great topic. Everyone goes to the supermarket. It's so useful.
Very useful. We need to buy food. We need to talk to people there. So let's learn some English for the supermarket.
I love this topic. Let's start.
But first, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying this episode, please subscribe to Master English Channel.
And please click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
You can also share this with your friends or family who are learning English.
We love hearing from you. Your support helps us make more episodes.
Thank you so much. Now, let's talk about the supermarket.
Okay, Kevin, let me ask you, how often do you go to the supermarket?
I go twice a week, usually on Wednesday and Saturday.
Twice a week. That's quite often.
Yes, I like fresh food, so I go often. What about you, Sarah?
I go once a week, every Sunday morning.
Oh, Sunday morning. That's nice.
Yes, it's quiet on Sunday morning, not too many people.
Ah, I see. You like quiet shopping.
I do. When there are too many people, it's hard to find things.
That's true. Okay, so when we arrive at the supermarket, what do we need?
We need a shopping cart or a basket.
Good, a shopping cart. Let me explain this. A shopping cart is the big thing with wheels. We push it.
Yes, and a basket is small. We carry it in our hand.
Exactly. So if you buy many things, use a shopping cart. If you buy a few things, use a basket.
Perfect explanation, Kevin. Listeners, think for a moment. When you go shopping, do you use a cart or a basket?
Good question. Okay, Sarah, now we have our cart. Where do we go first?
Let me think. I usually go to the fruit and vegetable section first.
Oh, the produce section. That's another word, produce section.
Yes, produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. It's a common word in supermarkets.
So we can say, where is the produce section, right?
Exactly. Excuse me, where is the produce section? Perfect question.
Let's practice that. Listeners, repeat quietly, where is the produce section?
Good. Now, Kevin, what do you buy in the produce section?
I buy apples, bananas, tomatoes, lettuce.
Oh, many healthy things.
Yes, I try to eat healthy. Sometimes I also buy chocolate, but shh.
Your secret is safe. I also love chocolate.
Everyone loves chocolate. Okay, so after the produce section, where do we go?
Well, it depends. Some people go to the bakery section for bread.
Ah, yes, the bakery section. The bread smells so good there.
It does. Fresh bread. It makes me hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. What kind of bread do you like, Sarah?
I like whole wheat bread. It's healthier.
Good choice. I like white bread sometimes, and baguettes. I love baguettes.
Baguettes are delicious. Okay, so we have fruits, vegetables, and bread. What's next?
Next, maybe the dairy section?
Dairy section. What does dairy mean?
Good question. Dairy means milk and products made from milk.
So, like milk, cheese, yogurt, butter?
Exactly. All of those. They come from milk, so they are dairy products.
Ah, I understand. Dairy is the category.
Yes, and we can ask, where is the dairy section? Same pattern.
Good. So we're learning how to ask for different sections. Where is the section? This is very useful.
Very useful. You can use it anywhere. Where is the meat section? Where is the frozen food section?
Perfect examples, Kevin. Listeners, notice how we ask. It's simple. Where is the section?
Now, Sarah, let's talk about finding specific items. Sometimes we can't find something.
Oh, yes, that happens to me. Sometimes I look and look, but I can't find what I need.
Same here. So what do we do?
We ask for help. We find an employee.
An employee. That's the person who works there.
Yes, and we say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Polite and simple.
Good start. Then what?
Then we ask our question. Where can I find sugar? Or do you have olive oil?
Perfect. Let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the employee, you be the customer.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
Where can I find pasta?
Pasta is in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Great conversation. Very natural. Did everyone hear that? Aisle 5. Aisle is the space between the shelves. Each aisle has a number.
Yes, so when someone says aisle 5, you look for number 5. Easy.
Exactly. Now, Kevin, sometimes we want to know the price. How do we ask?
Good question. We can ask, how much is this? Very simple.
Or we can ask, what's the price?
Yes, both are good. How much is this is more common, I think.
I agree. And if something doesn't have a price tag, we definitely need to ask.
True, sometimes the price tag is missing. It happens.
Okay, so now we have all our items. Our cart is full. Where do we go?
We go to the checkout, or we say the register.
The checkout, the register, same thing. That's where we pay.
Yes, and usually there's a line. We wait in line.
Ah, waiting in line. Sometimes it's long, sometimes it's short.
True, I don't like long lines.
Nobody does, but it's part of shopping. Now, at the checkout, what does the cashier say?
The cashier usually says, "Hello, did you find everything okay?"
Oh, that's a common question. Did you find everything okay? They want to know if we're happy.
Yes, and we can say, "Yes, thank you." Simple answer.
Or if we couldn't find something, we can say, no, I couldn't find the rice.
Good example. Being honest is okay. Then they might help you.
Exactly. Now, the cashier scans all your items, then they say the total.
Your total is $25, something like that.
Yes, and then we have a choice. How do we want to pay?
Right. We can pay with cash, or a credit card, or a debit card.
The cashier might ask, how would you like to pay? Or cash or card?
Simple questions. We just answer, card, please, or cash.
Perfect. And after we pay, what do they say?
They say, thank you, have a nice day.
And we say, thank you, you too.
Very polite conversation. This is real English.
It is. This happens every time we shop.
Okay, listeners, think about this. In your language, is the supermarket conversation similar or different?
Good question. Take a moment to think.
Now, Sarah, let me ask, do you use any special bags?
Oh, yes. I bring my own bags. Reusable bags. They're better for the environment.
That's great. Reusable bags. We can use them many times.
Yes, some supermarkets charge for plastic bags now, so bringing your own bag saves money.
True, and it's good for the earth. We can say, I have my own bag at the checkout.
Good phrase. I have my own bag. The cashier will be happy.
Now, sometimes we have coupons. Do you use coupons, Sarah?
Sometimes, yes. A coupon gives us a discount. It saves money.
Right. We can say, I have a coupon, and we give it to the cashier.
Exactly. They scan the coupon and the price goes down. Ha, I love that.
Everyone loves saving money. Okay, so we've paid, we have our bags, we're done shopping. What do we say?
We say, thank you, goodbye.
Simple and polite. And we leave.
Yes, shopping is complete. Now we go home and cook.
Yes, that's the fun part, using all the food we bought.
Exactly. Okay, Kevin, I think we covered a lot today.
We did. Let's help our listeners remember everything.
Good idea. Let's do a quick recap.
Okay, first we talked about the shopping cart and the basket.
Yes, cart is big, basket is small.
Then we talked about different sections. The produce section for fruits and vegetables,
The bakery section for bread.
the dairy section for milk and cheese,
We learned how to ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
and we learned to ask, where can I find? Very useful question.
We practiced asking about price. How much is this?
And we learned about the checkout. That's where we pay.
We mentioned different payment methods, cash or card.
And we mentioned reusable bags. Good for the environment.
Wow, that's a great list. So many useful phrases for the supermarket.
It is. And listeners, you can use these phrases today. Go practice.
Yes, next time you go to the supermarket, try using this English.
Now, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket?
Is it fruit, chocolate, bread, coffee? Tell us.
For example, you can write, my favorite thing to buy is bananas. Simple.
This is great practice for writing English.
And we love reading your comments. We read every single one.
So please share with us. And remember, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and click like.
Share it with your friends too. It helps us make more episodes for you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you learned some useful phrases. Next time you go to the supermarket, you'll feel more confident speaking English.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Happy shopping and goodbye.
Bye-bye.